Hi friends, this video shows how to update pre-installed apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select this settings icon from top right corner. Select apps. In some TV model, we have to go to device preferences. There we would be able to find apps. Let me select apps here. Then select see all apps. Here we can see list of installed apps. From this list, we need to select Google Play Store. Select Google Play Store. In some TV model, we have to go to System Apps. Go down and select Show System Apps. Then from System Apps list, we can select Google Play Store. In this TV, let me select Google Play Store from here. Select Google Play Store. Select Open. So now we are seeing Google Play Store app. Here, go to top. From top right corner, select this profile icon. Select settings. Select auto update apps. Here we have to select this first option, auto update apps at any time. Select this first option. Then TV will automatically update pre-installed apps and system apps. So we don't need to manually update. Just select this first option, auto update apps at any time. So this way we can automatically update pre-installed apps and system apps. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.